The rain, I consider them as a blessing. Happy ako kasi alam ko na sa araw na to, binibless kami ni Lord. Excited, happy, actually mixed emotions. Hindi ko ma-explain kung ano nararamdaman ko eh.
Excited ako dahil sa tagal-tagal na hinintay namin. Ito na yun.
It's been 8 years that we've been waiting for this.
Kahit man bumagyo man siguro, basta't matuloy ang kasal.
Hindi ko masyadong pinapansin yung message niya before. Kasi I just wanted to enjoy my life.
Noong una kong nakita si Kay, bali nagtitigan kami. Tapos nawakan ko yung kamay niya, nawakan niya rin yung kamay ko. Tapos naging kami na.
Super thankful kasi marami siyang naituro sa akin na hindi ko na-realize before. And yun, super happy.
Kathleen Joy, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do, Father.
Manuel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
When you find me free falling out of the sky.
Congratulations. You know how happy we are for you. Finally, you're finally going home to the family where you will be prioritized other than us. And we really thank you so much for everything. We will never be wherever we are. Kung wala ka, nagsakripisyo para sa amon kaupo ni Mami kag ni Papa. And finally, makapakasaya!
Salamat sa 8 taon at ngayon ay magiging habang buhay na pagsasama. Sa hirap man o ginhawa, pangako ko sa iyo, mamahalin ka, alagaan, iintindihin, susuportahan.
Wow. Not only 2 years, but a lifetime message that I will always love him. You will always be my top priority.